Here at SAP, our purpose is to help the world run better and improve people's lives. Through our innovative, technologically advanced solutions, SAP Intelligent Enterprise seeks to deliver high-value business outcomes for our customers by helping them transform their own companies into intelligent enterprises. Our customers can accelerate their journey to becoming an intelligent enterprise by adopting SAP's guided outcomes. A guided outcome is a solution with a defined business outcome that draws on solution capabilities and products from multiple SAP lines of business, addresses an end-to-end business process, and leverages intelligent technologies as needed. By utilizing guided outcomes, businesses can enjoy continued success and become one step closer to becoming an intelligent enterprise. In a fast-moving world, predicting your organization's required production levels while reducing resources that are in stock is becoming increasingly challenging. Many organizations struggle to synchronize production planning with their supply chain. Utilization of responsive supply chain will help these organizations better perform logistical processes. Responsive supply chain was designed to help organizations improve the efficiency of supply planning and to address the following challenges that many organizations face: limited or manual collaboration with suppliers, inability to effectively respond to changing demands or conditions, limited consideration for supplier capacity constraints and production planning, limited or delayed visibility into supplier inventory, and high expedite fees. Responsive supply chain combats these challenges by integrating production planning and demand into supply chain, ultimately resulting in a multitude of benefits for the organization, including synchronization of the supply planning process to inventory requirements, leveraging end-to-end visibility via closed-loop supplier collaboration, driving a higher efficiency towards meeting market demand, allowing for faster planning cycles, reducing inventory levels, and increasing service levels. Responsive supply chain is an implementation of proven SAP functionality to streamline production planning towards real-time demand. Supply planners can accelerate the planning cycles to better support the demand and, in turn, drive customer satisfaction. Through its wide-ranging capabilities, responsive supply chain can be very useful in many supply chain scenarios involving planning, sourcing, production, collaboration, and analysis. The first scenario that responsive supply chain helps to further specifically involves the production planning process. Responsive supply chain aids supply planners in reviewing consensus demand, making it easier to gain insight into the upcoming real-time demand, sales forecast, and projected revenues. Supply planners can then use this information to create an unconstrained supply forecast. Sharing the purchasing forecast, previously a drawn-out process between supply planners and suppliers, is simplified through responsive supply chain, which helps to foster communication and collaboration throughout the supplier network. This allows for suppliers to quickly provide their available capacities to meet the plan. After suppliers deliver their forecast commitments towards supply demands using proven SAP functionality already in the market, they can in turn request the planning from their buyers and select the parts they can provide or manufacture within the required time frame and commit to a certain quantity for the buyers. Once the supply forecast is confirmed and supplier commitments have been made, responsive supply chain provides a simpler method for purchasing managers to request quotations from their suppliers. Due to the direct integration with product lifecycle management, buyers can easily view and compare capacity constraints and cost details from potential supplying sources. Buyers can go from planning to bidding in just one click. Moreover, only suppliers who are qualified for a given commodity area are recommended through responsive supply chain. The efficiency and simplicity of the user templates for the buyers and suppliers allows bids to be created and received expediently. Bids can then be awarded through SAP functionality to the selected suppliers to ensure materials are in place to facilitate production. After suppliers have been sourced, production planning can focus on the final assembly of their products, and responsive supply chain allows production managers to have a single view of all production capabilities, accounting for internal and outsourced manufacturers. Proven SAP functionality already in the market allows for real-time adjustment, so the planning of a timely production can be managed from a single place. Constrained product plans can be accommodated and matched to meet demands. Once the production plan is confirmed, the purchase order can be submitted. Through responsive supply chain, the creation of purchase orders is entirely automated. Once the purchase orders are created through responsive supply chain, they are confirmed by the buyers and suppliers and transmitted to the manufacturers via SAP functionality already in the market. After the component supplier fulfills the order, their shipping notification is automatically transmitted to the contract manager for better supply planning. Through SAP functionality already in the market, it is guaranteed that any alerts that arise throughout this process are received by the appropriate parties. It also ensures that supply planning is notified about the progress of the process each step of the way, ensuring that demand has been fulfilled and that the organization's project revenue can be obtained. Managing and overseeing all of the steps of the production process can be a daunting task, from planning and sourcing to manufacturing and analyzing. Responsive supply chain allows this end-to-end process to become simpler and more efficient than it has ever been before. By implementing responsive supply chain and other guided outcomes, we at SAP can accomplish our mission of improving our customers' competitiveness by helping them transform into an intelligent enterprise and ultimately help improve people's lives and allow the world to run better.